Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a card for Mother's Day. For this I have taken a blue color paper which I have folded into half. Then I have taken a piece of white paper. I am going to glue this inside the card. Then using a black pen, draw as shown. And then we can cut along the outline. Then using a ruler and black pen, draw lines as shown. This is one of the most simplest and easiest cards that you can make for your mom this Mother's Day. I have used some crystal stickers to decorate the card. And a cute card for Mother's Day is now ready. You can write your message inside the card. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.